Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to another video from Pentaloft. And this video is gonna do the review of the Infinix Hot 8. Rumors have it that it was launched on the 4th of September, which was yesterday in India. And today I'm going to give you a brief review of the Infinix Hot 8. And this video will let you know what you should expect when you decide to buy the device. The expected launch date of this device is the 12th of September 2019, and it runs on Android 9.0, which is the same as Android Pie, and has a dual SIM slot, which is 2 nano SIM cards. It supports 4G, 3G and 2G. Now let's go to the design of the phone. It has a height of 165mm, width 7.35mm, a thickness of 8.7mm, and it weighs 179 grams. The colors of this device is cosmic purple and quetzal cyan. Now the display department of this device has an average rating in its display. The screen size is 6.2 inches, which is equivalent to 16.56 centimeters. The screen resolution is 720 by 1600 pixels. The aspect ratio is 20 by 9. It has a bezel-less display with water drop notch. The pixel density is 269 ppi. The display type is IPS LCD and a touchscreen, which is capacitive touchscreen multi-touch. The screen to body ratio that was claimed by the brand is 90.3%. Now let's go to the performance of this device. The performance rating is very good. The chipset is MediaTek Helio P22. The processor is octa-core with 2 GHz Cortex-A53. The architecture is 64 bits with PowerVR-GE8320 graphics. The RAM is 4 GB. Now the storage of this device is very good. The internal memory is 64 GB and an expandable memory of up to 256 GB. It supports USB OTG. Now the camera is good with a 13MP plus 2MP dual primary camera, phase detection autofocus, and the physical aperture is f1.8. The flash is quad LED, and it has settings which helps you control the ISO and exposure. It has high dynamic range mode, the HDR mode. The camera feature is digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus, and the resolution of the front camera is 8 megapixel. Physical aperture is f2.0. The flash is LED flash. Battery of this phone has a rating of excellent in the battery department with a 5000 milliamps battery, lithium ion, and not user replaceable. The talk time is up to 18.1 hours on 4G and standby time up to 609 hours on 2G. Quite impressive. Now the network connectivity on this device, it has 2 nano SIM cards like I said before. Supports 4G, 3G and 2G. It has Wi-Fi support, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0. The GPS is AGPS, USB connectivity, mass storage device, USB charging, micro USB 2.0. Now the multimedia, it has a loudspeaker, a 3.5mm audio jack. Special features of this device is the fingerprint sensor, which sits at the back, and other sensors of this device is the light sensor, proximity sensor, compass. Well, I think that's all for the key specs of this device. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can't miss out on the latest video and the unboxing of this beautiful device. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Peace out.